Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard and it doesn't really matter where. You can do it on the messages just like I do, but also maybe not here, but also on this Google section or the notes, whatever. It doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and basically all you have to do in order to set the keyboard to add new language is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So just find it and tap on it, and let me pick, I just want to find the Urdu language, as it is the graphical language, and you will be able to see the difference. So let me tap on Urdu, and as you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region. Of course, it depends on the language you will pick. So just tap on the one you'd like to use, and here we've got the keyboard types. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to choose from up to 5 or 6 different keyboard modes, keyboard styles, let's say, or you will be able to pick only one. So of course it depends. I will pick the second option, so let me tap on it. As you can see, it is marked, so let me untick this option in order to disable it, and simply tap on done. And as you can see, this language has been immediately applied to the list. So now let's go back to the keyboard, and here we've got actually two differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So currently I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu keyboard. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So basically, this is how to add the language to your keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages again, and here from this tab, before entering the list, we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, right now we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning, and after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the globe icon. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.